Hey guys, I am Rona Gupta and I have prepared Zapix, a decentralized photo sharing app. So what we are trying to do is we secure your social data. So you need not to worry for some XYZ company, centralized XYZ company, which will be shut down the next day and all your data stored on that app will be lost for forever. So we have tried to provide a web-to-like experience in our app. I'll just show you how we'll do it. So it's powered by late protocols, Ferran, Polybase, Lighthouse and FVM. So these are the basic features: decentralized Google Auth, MPC wallet, minimal UI and encrypted chats. So when I just click on this get started button, I'll be prompted for Google sign. So just wait for the login to get completed. When I log into my app, I'll just prompt it out to my dashboard where I can see the various posts posted by the various users. I can interact with the post. I can view the post in larger view, comment on the post, like the post. I'll just show you how it is easy to upload a post on our app. I'll just pick any wallpaper. What it does, it will use Sphera SDK to upload this image to the IPFS. You can see the image has been loaded and I can write whatever word I want to write. And share the post with the others. So all this data has been stored in the Polybase database, which again is a decentralized database. So as you can see, my post is live here and I can add like to it. For user interactivity, I have shown this icon to be instantaneously changing, and as you can see, the number of like has changed after some time, because as it takes signing of the user, it takes some times. All this signing of the messages have been done using lit protocol, lit actions. So you can visit your profile from here. There are the 4 posts under my name. You can see all of them here, and you can choose to update your profile. You can add other users as your friend, and chat with them under the chat section. I'll just show you. So this is a user profile created by me while I was testing my app. So all the images shared here are encrypted. I just share the image. As I load the image, it start loading and it will upload the encrypted image to the IPFS. And as I write the message, and share it with the user. This encrypted image and a message will be shared to the user. A user need to decrypt it on his end to view it. So you can see a new message has been popped up in the chat room. I and that user with whom I have shared this post will be able to decrypt. Anyone else can't decrypt this image. So this is another feature of our app, providing a web-to-like experience to the users, where he can chat with his friends in an encrypted way. So coming to the storage deals, so he can basically user can generate the storage deal for their data by generating a CAR link from the FVM dataport app. It will be linked locally in the upcoming update, and a user can provide the CR link, CR size, piece size and other hash to submit deal proposal. All the signing will be done using lit actions. I have utilized lit PKP. When user sign up using his Google Auth, a new PKP is being minted to the user, and all the signing of the message, whether it is adding a post, liking a post, commenting under another post, adding a user as his friend, is done using the lit actions. So we have utilized Polybase as our centralized as a decentralized database to store all other users' data, all post data, likes, comments, chats, and messages. So in messages, all the and chats are encrypted. If even if the CID gets leaked, other users will not be able to see the image, as it is shared only with the authorized user. So thank you guys. This is our product Zapix. We have tried our best to provide a Web2 like experience in a Web3 dApp, and we'll try to further enhance it. So thank you.